I'm here in SM North EDSA The Block to have fun with my cartoon friends. If you are a fan of Powerpuff Girls, Tom and Jerry, Looney Tunes like Bugs Bunny, and We Bare Bears, then come here and enjoy the Get Up and Go activities with Cartoon Network characters. Visit the activity booths, play park, fun-free play games, and character shops featuring awesome merch from the wonderful world of cartoons. After SM North EDSA, the fun will continue in the following select malls: SM San Jose del Monte on July 19 to 31, SM City Aura on July 19 to 31, SM City Taytay July 3 to 20, SM City South Mall August 3 to 20, SM City East Ortigas August 22 to September 8, SM City Marikina on September 12 to 30, and also SM City Masinag on October 1 to 16. So immerse yourself in the universe of your favorite characters and unleash your active energy as you jump, race, and play your way to more dynamic, fun surprises. Get up and get moving and let the adventure begin. See you here!